So do you want to dive into a little bit about what you're doing? Because last time we spoke, right, you did Android, you had a YouTube channel, and then since then you had a podcast, and then now I think you are the founder of at least 2 startups, right? And you've been doing web dev and a bunch of stuff. So
Yeah, the word startup always sounds a bit big. I just built some little projects, and it has been my goal for a while to build something real that people can use and make money from that. Because as you know, I don't want to make tutorials anymore. I just hate the process.
Yeah.
And building real stuff is so much fun. And yeah, I started with building a little Chrome extension that was supposed to make it easier to answer YouTube comments by adding keyboard shortcuts to the website of YouTube, to the comment section. And I personally, I used that and I found it useful, but it was way too specific to turn it into a real product. Other people didn't really get the point of that.
Right.
It wasn't really well thought out as a product, but it was a great learning experience.
Sure.
Because I had no experience in web development before, and I learned how to build a Chrome extension, a React website, and a server, and deploy all of the stuff. And now, for example, part-time, I'm working on a project for someone else, and I can apply all of this stuff because they needed me to build a Chrome extension. And so it's really useful. Yeah, so this project didn't really go anywhere, so I just took it down. Don't put any more effort into this. I just consider it a learning experience. The second project I've built, which is still up and I'm still working on, is called TwoTab. So the website URL is twotab.io. And I had this idea for a while. It's basically a database and a search tool where people can submit programming learning resources, so tutorials, courses, books, and so on, together with some metadata, like if it's text form, video form, what's the difficulty level, what's the language. They can write a description if it's free or paid, and if you need to sign up on the website. And then people can vote these resources, like you can vote answers on Stack Overflow. And the idea is that people can search for a tutorial on the website, and then the good ones get to the top because the votes, they have higher votes. And I had this idea for a while, and yeah, it seems to people seem to like it so far. I couldn't really do much marketing yet because I still have to do some other tasks first on the website. But then I think if I market this properly, it could be an interesting project. But yeah, time will tell.